Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change the oil in your Ford F-150. First, let's gather everything we need for a smooth process. You will want a wrench, an oil filter wrench, and a drain pan. Also, make sure you have the right type and amount of new motor oil, typically 6 to 7 quarts, and a new oil filter. Safety is paramount, so use jack stands and wear protective gear. This preparation ensures a successful and safe oil change. Now that you are prepared, let's get started by draining the old oil. First, locate the oil drain plug, which is usually found on the oil pan underneath your engine. Position a suitable drain pan directly beneath the plug to collect the used oil. Carefully remove the drain plug and allow all the old oil to completely drain out. This step might take several minutes, so be patient and ensure all the old oil is gone. With the old oil drained, it is time to replace the filter and secure the drain plug. Carefully remove the old oil filter using an oil filter wrench, being prepared for any residual oil. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin layer of new oil to its gasket. Then, screw on the new filter hand tight, plus an additional 1/4 to 1/2 turn. Finally, reinstall the drain plug securely, tightening it to the manufacturer's recommended torque. Now for the final steps, adding the fresh oil and performing your checks. Consult your owner's manual for the exact type and capacity of motor oil your Ford F-150 requires, typically around 6 to 7 quarts. Slowly pour the new oil into the engine's oil fill cap. Once filled, start the engine briefly to circulate the oil, then turn it off. Finally, check for any leaks and verify the oil level with the dipstick, adding more if needed.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.